this time I'll be unboxing Glamego Feb Box.
Set my heart afire.
Hi my dear subscribers, so I'm back again, and this time I'll be unboxing Glamego February box. So here are my products. My favorite product of the lot is Natural Bath and Body Mist, Sweet Ocean. I'm insanely in love with the fragrance. Next up we have Kronocare Polystop Face Spray. This is 30 ml bottle. It's an awesome spray in summer especially because it will help you to stop the pollution damaging your skin. All the products are so nice this time. We have Chocho face pack from caffeine. This is so nice. This is gel based for dry skin. I ordered for dry skin, so they have rightly given me for dry skin. The last product in the box this time is the Saffron Radiance cream. This is from the Nature's Co, and I have been using this for 1 or 2 days now, 2 days. So it is also nice. I liked it. Big thumbs up. Now I'll be showing you how to apply this chocolate face mask on your face. Very easy. I want to show you the results basically. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning in this time, and I'll be back with another video very soon in which I'll be unboxing some other great products. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. All the products this time are my favorite, and this one my most favorite. This time I highly recommend this box. Just go, close the video and buy.